Hello guys, welcome to my video. Okay, then what's happening in the BTC right now? That's what we are gonna discuss today in this morning. So let's quickly jump into the video. So let's quickly jump into the video. Here it is. The BTC USDT is getting a rejection, getting a support from here. It's bouncing, and is it was the top? Yeah, guys, it was the top because we have here the 50-day moving average. We have got a nice support from this region, so that's why we are bounced. So we have got a daily with a green candle. So it's a bounce. It's kind of bouncing. That's bulls has come back to the market. So yesterday was a weekend, so there is not institutions flying out, but the only concern was my CME. What is it? And CME gap. Here you can see that the CME this have created a gap between the price and let me quickly hide this guy, so you can see there is a gap between the price and whenever you see a gap the system I think the BTC will try to fill this gap. So it's right now it's trying to fill this gap, and only there's a bullish case. This is not anything to be concerned about and worried about. The BTC will spike up the price. That's what I'm expecting personally. And when it comes to the USD Coinbase chart, it's the most accurate chart, and exactly it happened. The case I predicted, the first case yesterday, the first case scenario was I predicted that we will get a rejection from this region. So it has happened exactly as I predicted. If you're if you have if you hadn't watching that video, so just quickly go over to my YouTube channel and watch that again, so you can see how accurately my prediction has happened. So this is not only my prediction. This wasn't only my prediction. When I got plotted that the Fibonacci resistance level from this region, from this region, because it was the triangles. Um, origin, exactly, it has respected this point, this weak point. So this is not the child play. The BTC market is the technical analysis, is the market psychology emotions, and that's why this is respecting very well. So what's gonna be happens in the weekly, in the weekly we are getting a nice bonus from there. So there is nothing to be worried about that. So in the 4 hourly, coming back to the 4 hourly, coming back to 4 hourly, I'm plotting something. Sorry, the RSI and the other indicators hasn't been plotted yet. So that's why I'm gonna plot it, guys. And some settings and information panels. Wow. Okay, it's getting some bounce. It's really good, and this is coming back from this our salt region to the it's going upward to the our board region. So that's what we were waiting for that. So the next my favorite indicator is exactly absolutely stochastics, guys. So I'm gonna plot it in stochastics. Also we can see bullish divergence, and it's plotting that. So whenever the price is coming down and the stochastic is going up, no, not in this case, in the weekly we can see that bullish divergence is coming in. No, it wasn't this weekly's case. It was on the another indicators, and you can see that YouTube guys is doing that video. So this is my quick update about the XRP. XRP is spiking the price and it's coming back. So there's XRP was because I personally has opened a position in the XRP. Let me quickly. I will show you my position that's opened in the XRP. Though I was a little bit scary, but I know that it won't come to my liquidization point. So if it's come to that point, I will add more XRP to that, because it was the cross margin, not isolated. I can do the risk management something, so there is nothing to be worried about. So let me quickly go over to the chart XRP USDT. Yeah, XRP USD proportion. So there is my open position in the XRP. You can see that currently maybe in loss, but it's coming back to the profit. So this is my open position. It's above 126% loss because the correction, yeah, because the market correction yesterday happened. So by liquidation price point was 0.7988. It hasn't reached that, guys. It has reached above the $1 level, but it hasn't reached to the my scary point. So I'm lucky very well. If it is rating, if it is the if it is I set an alert over here. Let me quickly see that my alerts not in the laptop, but I personally set an alert in my smartphone to get if the XRP is coming down, coming below the $1 level, I will add more XRP into the, yeah, into the coin margin account, future account. Then I will decrease my liquidization point to either to the region or even below that. So it will cost a lot of XRP to do that, but I won't get liquidated. That I won't have my only fund, but taking some loans from the cryptocurrency loan giving lenders like Aave and Compound, and they are giving loans. That will be in Ethereum that we have to convert it and do something quickly. And there's have a lot of loan providers by giving them something as a collateral. Then we will get a loan, and then I will do this increasing the liquidization. But I personally hope, and I expected that won't come, and the XRP won't come to this below this $1 level. So that's why I'm happy. This only 4 contracts, and what's my margin is 2 XRP. So yeah, it's stop right now. So what was my entry point? Entry point was like 0.74. And I personally think it's XRP will go above this $2 level after its after its correction happened, and we will get some nice reduction from this point because it's in moving average, it's a resistance also. So that's it, guys. So and my another BNB. Wow. And you guys have to do one thing at every time. Just put some orders in the lowest point, because whenever the market crash happens, it will execute your orders and you will be very very happy. And who is the best gainers in this in this market right now? It's XBG. Wow, it has pumped a lot and percentage. It has came back to my entry points. That you can see that I have bought the XVG right now. So where is it? On the trade, yeah, on the trade. I'm personally holding this XVG guys. So let me quickly show you how much XVG I'm holding and how I'm literally bullish on the XVG. So XVG BUSD, that I have converted my USDT into the BUSD. Then I bought this XVG because I'm literally very highly bullish on the XVG, because it will move, guys. It has a nice chance to get returned to the $1 level, because it has only a circulating supply of 16 billion. It is not impossible to reach there, because the Dogecoin, if you're taking the Dogecoin example, it's the market cap of Doge is above $11 billion. It's only a meme coin, it's only a job coin. It has got an $11 billion in the crypto space. It's not impossible to get $16 billion to the highly fundamentally project. And also it has reached in this crypto space very very far back. So, and also it has a good fundamental support. When you are plotting this XVG BTC chart, you can see that it has a nice technical background. So that's why I'm literally highly bullish on this chart, guys. um, and literally this XVG USD was launched with some back ago in this Binance. That is why it's only has some candles, and the price action on the Binance is literally is nothing is plotting. But if you are checking the SVG BTC on this many other charts, let me quickly SVG BTC. It has on the even in the Binance long before, and even some months before it has, yeah, it has got the price action, guys. And this, I think it was in the bear market zone, so that's why we have a nice spike. But guys, we still have the probability to go this higher. I think this is 50 15x, and yeah, 15x. It's very very nice bounce if we are getting that. So that's why I bought this XVG. So XVG is pumping, XVG is pumping hard, so nice. And you guys have to see how much XVG I have bought that. This is my XVG. Right now I have 2140 XVG. Currently I'm holding it. I'm hold okay. So, and what's my another portfolio? I will show you my portfolio, guys. I will show you that. So this is, here we go. I'm fully transparent. I can show you my all portfolios, guys. These are my another portfolio, that's Tron and Helium and Harmony and Batch and Verge and VChain and Polygon and MKN. This is my portfolio right now. Yeah, it's $7 loss, and yeah, 1,000, and it's a lot of money. I put it into the crypto space. So that's, guys, that's all. And what about other coins like Solana? We had predicted something crazy in the Solana chart. What's happened right now is in the current space at $30. Wow, nice. Yeah. In the first video I haven't done in this channel, I predicted that we will get the reach this zone. So buyer is sitting in the chart. Yeah, it's not 4 hourly. Yeah, in the 4 hourly I predicted, guys. I predicted exactly it's happened. So at the May 21, what about the May 21? Yeah, May 21, I predicted that we will get to this 45 region. So that's my prediction. So in the OMG, what's it's doing? It's not doing nothing. And ONT, what about ONT? My price tracker was $2, something, and near $3, and it hasn't reached yet. One. What about one? Oh, this is very pity bad, guys. One, but it has nice bound from this region. And what about the BTT, guys? BTT. Wow, it's holding nice. It will pump, guys. It will pump, and my personal target is this region. So buy it, guys, buy it. And what about Tron? TRX, nice pump, will pump, guys, will pump. We have got a nice support from this region. So what about Dot will also pump. And my other coins like Wazarex and H bar is amazing. H bar is amazing, guys. Nice bounce from this region, because slightly adjustment. Yeah, H bar is currently in a consolidation zone. If you are zooming out into the daily, you can see that it's making some kind of head and shoulders, not because the wick is higher, and it's like of creating a downward moment like this. And what we have to get, and we have to get an immediate bounce back from here to break this region, and there we will be get a bullish. And H bar, whenever talking about H bar, a lot of people and a lot of communities there to be bullish about the Zilliqa. I don't think it is a fast bounce or fast gain and multi-bagger. And Dodge, everyone is talking about Dodge, but I won't touch Dodge because I have an experience, like I touched it at some points in the past. So, and what about the XRP? And I talked about the XRP and Win. Talking about the Win, it's and Win and BTT and Tron. It's everything is one family. That's BTT, the Tron network itself, and XSP. No, I don't have an optimism in the case of XSP right now, because I meant to get this $8 by this level, but it's not getting raised. But the probability to get reached there is so long, guys. Even the June will be here, and if it has to reach there very quickly, we have to get a parabolic movement. And if it is possible to get a parabolic movement, yes, exactly, we have to break this level immediately. And if we are getting break this level, we'll go some a nice candle, at least a nice one candle moment. Sorry, yeah, one candle moment like this, a candle from this. Yeah, wow, nice. This is gonna be happen, and then we'll get this 8 or 10 level very fastly. That's very quickly, and yeah, it's a falling words like patterns. Oh no, 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 a rising words like patterns. So the rising words is more most probability towards the upside. No, no, not towards the downside. But I personally have seen many something has broken breakdown to the towards the upside. So it's not like a racing words, guys. It's a something. It's a trend channel that we had to break it up to us upside those. And the chain, it has probably 7% towards upside yesterday. Even in that case of market, okay, the yesterday case because people were in the fear, and someone bought in the fear. Exactly, I'm appreciating those kind of people because every time we don't have to buy at the top, and we have to buy this the low point and sell at the higher. That's what exactly the market makers are doing. That's what the experts are doing. That's what the yeah those kind of people are doing. So bet I'm optimistic about the bet. And we'll get reach the 4 cent or 3 cent is possible, guys. What about the ATH USDT? So ATH is getting some prediction from this, and they're spotting this from work point. We have got this point. Nice, nice bounce back. So here it is. We are winding up this all market analysis.